Yo, what's up everybody? ATB here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG display opening. And today we will keep going to open these boxes. A Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game, Ghost from the Past, Second Haunting. And yeah, I've already opened one of these boxes. And if you want to see this video and see what I've pulled, leave the link in the description down below for this video. Go check it out. And yeah, like I said, this is part 2. I got 3 boxes of them, and I got mine from TC Games. We'll also leave his link in the description down below. Go check him out. He has everything you need. If you like this type of content, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you don't want to miss any of my new content, hit the ring bell notification button. With that said, guys, let's get started. Alright guys, here we go again. Yeah, you know how it goes. Let me unpack these 5 boxes real quick, and I will come back to you ASAP. Okay guys, the blisters are out of the boxes. I would say let's not waste any time and let's begin unpack these beauties. Okay. This is my second display opening of the set. I hope it goes well. Wish me luck, guys. First pack, first opening. Here we go. Yeah, guys, the trick. Yin Zeng, okay. Schadenritter, okay, nothing here. Well, let's keep going, guys, let's keep going. Yeah, see you. Zombie World. Himmel's Cavalier. Cornloom. I've never seen that before. Well, I have to say, on the first display, which we have opened last week, we had a ton of luck, guys. We had just on the first pack, and then zack, boom, first hit. It was unbelievable, guys. Just I will put the link in the description down below for the first video. Go check it out and then you see what I mean. Okay, here nothing there. Well, let's keep going. Guys, the trick. Way awesome. Guys, the tricks here. Yeah, nothing here too. Yeah, we I can't have always that luck, guys. This was just phenomenal. DD again, DD. All right. Seltener fish. And Draglubion, my buddy again. Missed you. Already sleeved you up one time. Second time, it's a no-go. Alright. Let's go, guys, let's go. Coronic, yeah, nothing here. Yeah, blue eyes. Maybe we got a little bit more luck in this pack. Tenya. Ooh, this is a nice one looking. Cool. Senbode des Land. Yeah, in German they all sound like they had these way much too long names, but also in English. So, but I don't know. In English it sounds more cooler, more fresher than in German. Let's not say in Spanish or in French. But yeah. Double warrior. Yeah, I see you before. And you. Right? Yeah. Again. Oh man, these DD cards. Code generator. Again, double warrior. Neither trash trigger cyber and Drake. Yeah, this is nice looking card. Yeah, this is cool. And another dragon, rainbow dragon. Cool, no ghost rare until now, and we have, yeah, almost the half of the display is through, guys. But yeah, like I said, if we get that luck that we hit one ghost rare in one display, thank God. Thank God, because the pull rates of Yu-Gi-Oh! In general, it's yeah, pretty for trash, let's say. But yeah, that's it. Let's not hang up on this and just keep going. Just keep going. Wood rocket. Yeah, no, you. Nothing. And DDD again. DDD. Not again. Man. Ronaldo's greeting. Steinbrecher. Okay, cool. Alright. And nothing. Ooh, guys, it's not looking good. It's not looking good at all. It's not looking good at all, but I hope the best. I hope the best.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Wait.
Everybody calm down.
Yes, baby. It's. I don't care, guys. I don't care. It's the same one. It's the same one that we pulled last week, but not the ghost rare.
A few moments later.
Okay, calm down, calm down. Yeah, it's. I don't care. I don't care. We've pulled this one last week, but hey, another one. I take it. I take it. I just take it. Wow. Woo. Absolutely. Oh my God. I can't believe it. I can't. I just. Oh my God.
Nice.
Here we go again, guys. Here we go again. Whew. I'm sweating. I'm sweating, guys. This is. Oh my God. Let's leave you up real quick. I don't care. I have it 2 times, but hey, I'm not complaining at all. I really not complaining at all. This is my second hit, guys. Second hit. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. All right. Whew. Let's calm down and yeah, keep going. Keep going. Just don't stop. Don't stop. I don't think. Just let's be honest, guys. I really don't think that we gonna pull a second one in this box. This is just that luck that we get now right here. This is. It's enough for me. I really don't think we get another ghost rare right here. Ooh, but we have Christian Hockey Fibrex. I love this one. This is beautiful. I also played this in my Baron de Fleur set in Master Duel. Very good card. It's no, I'm gonna say useless. No, he's very useful, and yeah, he's also have a nice value on the set, and yeah, I'm glad I pulled him. Let's put you beside you. All right, here we go. Next one. We have to keep going, guys. We have to keep going. Let's see. Yeah, you again. And a Luber again. You. Oh my God. Woo. Beautiful. I take it. I take it. Granted, guys. I take it. This is absolutely gorgeous pulls that we're making right here. Wow. All right. A Luber, the second one. I also have pulled this last week, and yeah, guys, we are doing great. We are doing great. I'm not complaining, guys. I'm really not complaining. Really, I'm not. I'm really not. Okay, here we go. Next one. And yeah, Galaxy Soldier. I think he has also a good value on the set. I have to check it, and maybe I'm gonna blend it in the video. Okay, guys, we have with this one 4 packs left. 4 packs, guys. Let's see what we can pull here. Nothing, nothing, and yeah. Third pack, 2 amps. Ooh, ooh, never seen you before. Oh, you're looking good. And nothing. Okay, guys. Oh, where are you going? Stay here. Yeah, you again. Yes, 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 yes. Majestate Hyperion. Majestic Hyperion. Okay, guys. This is the last pack. Let's see what we can pull here. At this point, I don't have much any hope, but ooh, this is the third one that I'm pulling from this Tenya Ghosts. Okay, here we go, guys. The three next and the last one. Yep, yeah, this is it. No, but hey, guys, I'm really not complaining about this box right here. Let us resume real quick what we have pulled. So the big pulls. We have our second Aluber here, which I'm very glad that I've pulled it, because this is, besides the Ghost Rare, one of the most valuable card in the set. I think it's, I don't know how much, 15 or 18 bucks, such thing in that direction. He is a cool looking card, and I'm very glad that I have it twice now. And then we have, for the first time, Haki Fibraxa. Yeah, this is a very powerful card. I play it in basically in every deck in Master Duel. And this is the second most valuable card in the set, after Aluber. And I think this card is, I don't know, 5 or 8 bucks, like in, I don't know, that direction somewhere. And yeah, guys, our second Ghost Rare, it's the same one like last week, but hey, like I said before, I'm not complaining. I'm really not complaining. These cards are absolutely hard to pull, and I got lucky that until now in each box it has at least one Ghost Rare. But yeah, with that said, guys, let's end this video. Alright guys, we are at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for your support. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of this set. And yeah, like I said, we have opened now 2 boxes and we have pulled 2 ghost rares. I know it's the same card, but hey, I'm really not complaining, because I have seen a lot of YouTubers which have opened way more display boxes than I did, and they have pulled 0 ghost rares. So I'm thanking God. Part 3 of Ghosts from the Past Second Hunting will come out next week, so stay tuned for that. But not only that, guys, we also have the newest set from Yu-Gi-Oh, which is out right now, and it's this one, Dimension Force. We will also do a display opening on this one, so stay also tuned for that. And yeah, with that said, guys, stay out of trouble, you know that. Stay healthy and have a good day. Bye.